Hello my friends, get ready for an exciting adventure into the world of carrot cultivation and harvesting. These amazing machines will astonish you with their modern technology and incredible efficiency. So let's embark on the journey together right now. Carrots are a root vegetable originating from the Mediterranean region and have been cultivated for thousands of years. They are typically bright orange in color, but can also grow in other hues such as yellow, white, red, or purple. They are rich in fiber, vitamins, and essential minerals, including vitamin A, C, K, potassium, magnesium, and antioxidants. Join us as we explore vast farms to learn about how farmers cultivate and harvest carrots. Preparing for a new season wouldn't be complete without these soil tillage machines. The 9570 RT tractor is one of John Deere's powerful and high-performance models. With its robust six-cylinder diesel engine, this tractor delivers impressive and reliable operation across fields and farms. When paired with the Gladiator 1205 strip tillage system, the 9570 RT tractor becomes a formidable machine for soil cultivation and preparation before planting. The Gladiator 1205 tillage system is designed with a sturdy frame and sharp tines, allowing for depth adjustment and effective soil turnover. The utilization of pesticides can have adverse effects on both the environment and human health. Here's an alternative method for weed control, burning as a prelude to cultivating organic carrots. On a small farm, sowing can be done with a 6-row sowing machine. And here's how farmers scale up their operations. Following bed clearance, they utilize a New Holland T8320 tractor, equipped with a monosem 3-point hook for carrot planting. This pairing provides a precise and efficient system for carrot cultivation. The monosem planter is tailored for maximum efficiency in large-scale sowing, offering precise seed dosing and uniform distribution. The machine's accurate dosing and seed distribution ensure consistency and efficiency throughout the growing process, offering numerous advantages for carrot cultivation. These carrot seeds take 2 to 3 weeks to germinate. Throughout this process, it's crucial to provide regular care, watering, and fertilization to ensure optimal growth. The carrot beds need regular weeding, and the Who's single-wheel hoe is a clever tool used for this process. It's utilized to weed and cultivate the spaces between crop rows. The Who's single-wheel hoe features a simple design, consisting of a long handle and a sturdy wheel hoe attachment at the end, equipped with 3 sharp blades. Next is the TerraTech dual-wheel hoe. This dual-wheel hoe is an incredibly efficient tool, delivering high work performance to quickly cultivate pathways and spaces between crops in rows in the beds. It can remove small weeds from seedlings up to the height of 4 inches. These small weeds will be left on the soil surface to dry naturally. Join us to explore other fascinating machines. How do you feel when weeding using this method? This is the CultiTrack tool holder, developed for use in small-scale farms. Specifically designed to work in dense grass fields, this tool harnesses the power of a 35-horsepower engine and a 4-wheel drive system to operate smoothly and robustly on any terrain. With quick and easy adjustability, you can customize the tool to fit the specific requirements of your farming environment. Smart and modern, those are the words to describe this machine. The Dino robot is a breakthrough solution for weed control in vegetable farming. It can move flexibly and accurately between rows of crops. It utilizes sensors and intelligent control systems to detect weeds and distinguish them from crops. When weeds are detected, Dino applies automatic cutting technology to remove them without causing damage to the surrounding crops. Carrot plants typically require approximately 3 months to grow from sprouting to fully mature tubers, depending on the variety of carrots and their intended purpose. Carrots ranging from 1 to 2.5 centimeters in diameter can be harvested. Are you interested in learning how modern farmers efficiently harvest hundreds of tons of carrots? The Univerco G-Force Carrot Harvester is an efficient and advanced solution for easy and effective carrot harvesting. With its design featuring 2 rows of 3-point hooks and automatic direction control grooves that do not require lifting the machine during rotation, it allows for harvesting in all conditions and ensures continuity throughout the working process. The machine is equipped with an advanced technology, including an automatic electric-hydraulic row-finding system and height control. The LCD screen provides intuitive and user-friendly information for the operator. Not limited to carrot harvesting, it can also be used for harvesting sugar beets, turnips, parsnips, and rutabagas. there are plenty of harvesting machines for you to choose from. The SP460BEH machine is a versatile unit that combines a 6-ton elevator and bunker. It's designed to serve multiple purposes. The machine ensures continuous operation with a fast flow with a specially designed conveyor belt. This guarantees maximum hourly productivity without interruptions during the harvesting process. Equipped with a bunker capable of holding 6 tons of carrots, it acts as a buffer zone in case there aren't enough tractors available to unload continuously. The conveyor arm rotates along with the machine to continue to fill the bunker, ensuring the harvesting process remains continuous and uninterrupted. In contemporary agriculture, the utilization of advanced machinery for cultivating and harvesting carrots holds undeniable significance. These machines aren't just auxiliary tools, they play a pivotal role in the success and efficiency of agricultural production. With automation and precise control, these machines can plant and harvest carrots efficiently and swiftly, resulting in substantial yields in a short time frame. This translates to enhanced productivity and optimized utilization of agricultural resources. Do you find these marvelous harvesting moments captivating? In Canada, carrot harvesting has been simplified and made more efficient with the use of the self-propelled harvesting machine, SPT-255SFH. One of the standout features of this harvester is its precise and gentle root-cutting system. Equipped with advanced cameras and sensors, the harvesting system ensures accurate harvesting while minimizing losses. The SPT-255SFH represents a breakthrough solution for the agricultural industry, contributing to increased productivity and harvesting efficiency. It promises to be a valuable tool for farmers in the future. After harvesting, carrots are transported to processing plants for further processing and packaging. The Novatech production line is a modern system capable of handling up to 5 tons per hour, designed to meet the high-volume production demands of the carrot farming and harvesting industry. This production line incorporates advanced technologies such as sensor systems, intelligent sorting machines, automatic washing systems, high-quality brushing and polishing machines, precise electronic weighing scales, and automated packaging machines. All these equipment and technologies are seamlessly integrated, creating a smooth and efficient production process.